harnessing crypto influencers to raise capital and attract strategic investors.
Guys, look, no, it's good? Okay, do you remind me, long time ago, when I started to do crypto in 2016, there was no many people in the audience. I used to do networking events, 3 to 20 people maximum. I was telling people about what is Bitcoin. And now this look the same because why? People is scared right now, the market is bleeding, but that's part of the industry. So I want to congratulate you because you're still here, grinding, learning about crypto, and then we will be better off in a couple of weeks or months or maybe tomorrow. So I want to talk to you about something that's very interesting for me. I'm KOL myself. If you don't know what is a KOL, it's a key opinion leader or people that create content and have communities. And a VC, well, venture capitalists, traditional people. So I want to tell you what is the future of growth and investment and why key opinion leaders are the new powerhouses of crypto and tech. This is not the slides. Sorry, this is not updated. Anyway, I just go with the flow. Okay, before I tell you what I'm going to talk today, if you're wondering what I do, yes, I'm the founder of Crypto OGs, the #1 podcast on Binance Live. I've been in crypto since 2016. I have invested in hundreds and hundreds of projects. Back in 2016, 17, the ICO bubble, it hit me really bad. I lost a bunch of money. And then I've been driving and thriving in the industry. I have the #1 podcast on Binance Live. I have worked with the biggest exchanges. But the most important, I have keep working like it's day zero when I start crypto. That's the most important. So I want to tell you about the VC. I love my friends that have VCs, because they help to raise money for projects. But then I realized us as a content creator, we can raise more money or we can invest from our own pocket to make it more interesting. So what I have seen with the VC trap is, especially in crypto, they come and they want to control the equity of the whole company. So they want to basically be in charge of every single decision, and that it cuts innovation and don't let the teams to grow faster, okay? And they always demand large equity stakes and also influencing the decision of the CEO, CFO, CTO, and everybody. Other thing with the VCs is a company, right? So it's a slow, very slow, and there's so many bureaucrats there. So if somebody's going to invest, it can take months. And sometimes in crypto, something is going to launch really fast, and you need to invest right now because then tomorrow is going to launch, it's going to be too late. So when you have a VC, it takes longer. Also, there's a lot of misaligned incentives because the VCs prioritize return of investment over community engagement. VCs, they are companies, they want to get the money out as fast as they can. They don't want to think long term. No many of them, of course. And also they keep putting pressure to exit, because they want to present the board of directors, the KPIs, every 3 months, 6 months that they are making money. So I know a couple of my friends have VCs. Actually, they are becoming KOLs, the founders, and they start to invest themselves their own money, and they have to become more like a kind of public figure. Now, why KOLs are the smartest investment choice? And I'm going to tell you something. I have raised more than 8 figures, nearly 9 figures myself through my friends and my network in the last year for different projects. So let's say when you are a KOL, you can either invest your own money, or you can tell the community something that you're going to buy, which is very important. So with the KOL, you have a community-driven growth. So for example, if I go right now and I say, guys, look, I'm going to invest from my own pocket in this token or in this initiative, but you have to do your own research. The community will tell me, Andres, we want to jump in as well, because you're jumping in this project, we want to jump. So KOL bring direct access to engaged and loyal audience. So I've been building my audience since 2016. So people, when I tell them, look, I'm going to jump on this in my Telegram group, people jump. And I invest myself. So obviously, there is so many KOLs that are not trustworthy, like in any industry, but the ones that are very trustworthy, they can generate trust and influence. People trust KOLs more than corporate investors, especially in crypto. I'm not wearing a suit. Actually, I was with one of, I just met this gentleman in the media lounge, and he's wearing a suit. He's a banker. But in crypto, retail, they don't want to see the guy in the suit. I love wearing suits, but in crypto it's different. So yeah, you need to be persistent when you're a KOL, and people start to follow what you're investing into it. And it's faster market entry. So as a KOL, I'm the one that take the decision. Every day I have probably 3 to 5 decks, people pitching me the ideas, and then I say, how much you want to invest? So I normally do tickets like 5, 10, 20, maximum $50,000 myself from my own pocket. So I don't have to ask permission to anyone. Maybe my wife sometimes, but I can make the decision instantly, and that's why it's so important. It's instant exposure without the red tape of VC funding. The most important thing is the revenue and awareness. The KOL partnership generate organic sales and long-term brand equity. And I want to be honest with you. Right now, KOLs are struggling a lot because the market is bleeding. But the people that start to build in the bear market, for example, I have done 4 bear markets myself. I started my podcast in 2022, when FTX happened. And I just started to build. I didn't think about it was the market bleeding. I knew there was going to be a way around. But just to close up, I'm doing a lot of incentives for people that want to, if they're KOLs or if you have a company. What we do, we have a group of KOLs, and you tell me, look, we have a project, that you want to invest. So what we do as a KOL, we come as a united group, and all of us, we invest 5, 10, 20, 50, 100K, and in a pool, we give it to the company, and then give us OTC. We do this on regular basis every week. I have done like 26. So if you are a project that looking or to do something like this, give me a shout out. We have access to the best KOLs in the world. And that's it. Nice and easy. Thank you so much, guys, for listening.
Good job. Thank you, Andres.
Thank you, thank you.
Let's do a photograph of you. Photographer. Take a pose. Strike a pose. Vogue. Vogue. Vogue.